how to add Chrome extension on MacBook. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step process. So let's start. First, open Google Chrome on your MacBook. Under Google search bar, you see the web store shortcut. You can just click here to open web store, or you can search in the Google by typing web store at the Google search bar. Now click on Google Web Store. This is where all Chrome extensions live. At the top you will find the search bar. Now search the extension you want. For example, let's Grammarly. Click Add to Chrome next to the extension. A confirmation will pop up. Just click Add extension. Chrome will install it automatically. You see at the download option, Grammarly extension is now downloading. Once installed, you will see its icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Click it to get started. Pin extensions by clicking the puzzle piece icon. That's it. By following this process, you can easily add Chrome extension to your MacBook.